Hi, my name is Lorraine, and I contacted Shells Only for a complete renovation of my condo. When I bought this condo, it was still in the 1970s decor. The flooring and no electricity over the ceiling in the living room and the bedroom. The kitchen and bathroom was unacceptable to me. So when Dennis came in, he gave me a complete picture of what I wanted. He measured everything out to precise detail. They came in and did everything they said they were going to. They tore out the kitchen to the studs. They tore out the bathroom to the studs. They took away the bathtub I didn't want. And over a matter of weeks, the place was gutted out, and we started picking out what I wanted as far as cabinets, tiling, handles for the cabinets. I had to pick out a sink and a faucet and shower tiles and flooring tiles. It was pretty intense, and everything was listed in finite detail. I had no surprises, and everything I wanted done was done in a timely manner, very professional, very clean. Everyone that came in was polite, nice to me. If they said they were going to be here a certain time, they showed up, and the work was done to my full satisfaction. Of all of the things that were done in my condo, the favorite thing was doubling the size of one of the closets, which made it almost a room in itself. And Dennis's suggestion that we not only do the bars for hanging clothing, but horizontal shelving for storage was excellent. And it's in full use. It's almost like another room in the house. My concern with speaking to Shells was that I wanted the demolition done immediately, and then soon after that the work started. And Dennis assured me he would rearrange things to get the demolition started in December, so that by January, early January, we started the work. I'm completely satisfied. I cannot say that I'm not satisfied with anything they've done. And I would like to just say one thing. I never expected to have a project manager, and it took away a lot of pain and suffering to deal with one person and always have that person get back to me and be on the job constantly overseeing everything. I think that is an excellent idea, to have one person in charge of everything and not have to go to each individual person that works on the job. I would definitely recommend Shells Only to any of my friends that are looking to do an overhaul on any parts of their homes, whether it just be a kitchen, a bathroom, or the entire house. In fact, I have already mentioned it to a few people I know. One in particular is doing her bathroom over. I told her to check out Shells Only.